ASE Reliable. Alright, today we got a 2020 Hyundai Tucson. Rear brakes being replaced with rotors, front brakes being replaced with the rotors. Have the scanner on it right now with the rear rotors retracted, or the calipers retracted. Alright, so this rotor's not coming off, so I'll put the lug nut, one lug nut in it, and I'm going to hit it in the back with a mallet. That's the thickness of the rear pads. This tire got to be hit off too. Also this tire, and this tire too. As you see, front brakes are extremely low. These style calipers with the electronic motor doesn't require you taking it off and retracting it. Retracting the front calipers. Removing the bracketry from the rear brakes. Loosening caliper bracket. Alright, so now I'm going to take a wire brush and just scrub off the rust off the hub. Okay, front caliper, just got pushed in a little bit. I'll use my tool. Also got to remove the hardware for the front brake pads. Alright, cool. Now removing the caliper bracket.
Hey lady, don't mind me, I'm just doing my job. I don't wanna make your life no harder, I'm just doing my job.
Cool, so I'm now going to clean up and scrub up the rust off of this and relute the pin. Going to use this Dremel tool to clean the rust. Greasing up the pins and greasing up the slides. New rotor's on, rear pads is done, and front brakes is done.